Hello, everybody. I'm that Kamaraya guy, and we're gonna steer away from the X8 stuff for now and do something a little bit different. This time, it's Geats themed. It's the Common Rider Geats. One second. Power Builder Buckle and Gigant? Yeah, Gigant Buckle. That's definitely Gigant right there. But anyways, was the movie item that eventually made it into Geats. I don't remember which time. Same time Sparrow and I think Jackal were introduced. But anyways, that aside, I just got this recently. I didn't get it sooner because I just didn't feel like it. But also, this is an unboxing that has been asked for a while on the TikTok page. But it's going to YouTube first because that's just how I'm filming it. But anyways, enough of that. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Alright, as stated before, this did show up in the Battle Royal movie just last year in December. And honestly, it was an okay movie. Personally, I think the Ryuki Rider should have gotten way more screen time. Though this guy, not a bad villain. He should have been introduced maybe a little bit sooner. But that's neither here nor there. Okay. Okay, come on, just... Tape I didn't see. I am not editing any of this out. I'm too lazy for that. Come on. Oh, why is it stuck? Come on. What have I failed? Oh, no. Come on. Oh wait, no, I think this one goes over here. Yeah, okay, they all go in specific spots. There we go. Alright, now we've got the main pieces out. It's Desire Driver time. Oh, wait, this has a little battery thing in the back. I didn't even notice that. Okay, good to know.
Would you like a custom selection?
Come on. It's going the other way? Okay, there we go.
Gigant sword. Gigant sword. Gigant strike.
Come on.
Hybrid.
That
Gigant sword.
No, not hybrid. There we go. You gotta really get your fingers in there.
All might. Gigant blaster. Gigant almighty.
Let it go. Jeez. It's not easy to get out. Nope. Come on. Come on. Come on. Out of there. I didn't. They could have made this a little easier. Oof. They did not, though. Okay. Out of curiosity's sake, let's see what Revolve does. Basically the same thing. I just found out it does this without being attached. One. Come on. Pretty neat. Thank you for joining me for this Geats unboxing. Now I have a couple other Geats items, but I might push them to the backlog just because I have a lot of other stuff I want to do unboxing of first. And I'm going to try to spend more time doing older unboxings. That way I can get those pushed out of the way. But, yeah, that aside, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to try to have a more consistent, video making schedule. My usual method clearly has not been working recently. But anyways, thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also check out the TikTok page. We have over 5,000 followers. It's amazing. Now let's see if we can get those followers from there to here on the YouTube. Exact same name, That Common Riot Guy. So, again, thank you guys for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Remember, it's always henshin time. I can't do that snap right. Yeah.